What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Sofabaton X1 Smart Remote Controller. This one is one of the most favorite gadget, I think not one of the most probably this one is the most favorite gadget of mine, smart gadget, yeah. Okay, this smart remote from Sofabaton, this one is X1 and this one comes with a 2-inch display panel. This one also has a built-in 1050 mAh lithium-ion battery inside, so yeah. We don't have to change batteries. There isn't no mess of replaceable battery. Once it's fully recharged, I have able to use this one for 62 days, but it depends on how you use, how many devices you connect with this Sofabaton X1 remote. Yeah, usually it's between 55 days to 65 days. This one has a USB Type-C port, so we can easily use any USB Type-C cable to recharge this battery. Actually, they have provided a USB-C cable inside the box, and this one takes around 68 minutes to get fully recharged. And if you really want to know about the charging speed, then within 30 minutes this one gets up to 50% charged. Well, actually a lot of my subscribers and regular viewers have requested me to review this product. That's why I have bought this one and reviewing this one. Prior to this review, I have used this product for almost 18 days, and yeah, I'm truly satisfied with this Sofabaton all-in-one universal remote control. The thing is, this Sofabaton X1 smart remote works with over 500,000 entertainments and smart home devices covering over 6,000 different brands. So we can enjoy single click to control multiple devices at once. It's super easy to use. I'm not gonna convert this review video into a tutorial video. There are many other tutorial videos, how to do this, how to do that, how to add, how not to add, or whatever it is. I'm here to share my honest experience, my honest opinion with you. Yeah, if you have a mess of a lot of remote controllers, then you definitely can use this one. And this one can be used with many other products which doesn't even come with a remote controller, but can be controlled over Wi-Fi or through Bluetooth connectivity. This smart remote can connect up to 50 devices in any place, including TV, DVD, Blu-ray, cable box, gaming console, Apple TV, Roku, and more. Yeah, in my case, I have a Sony TV, a very big one. It's connected to my Apple TV. Then I have a XGIMI projector, a Bose sound system, a Samsung Blu-ray player, my PlayStation, the TCL air conditioner, and yeah, a Hisense hybrid air conditioning fan. Everything is connected to this Sofabaton X1 smart remote. If I wanted, then I could add more, but okay, in this studio I only have these. It's really very easy to use because a Sofabaton, they have developed their own application, they have their own R&D division, and this tiny little hub is a very powerful one. This one actually is the central point of all the commands. This one centralizes command of all your devices. No need to worry about pointing to the IR blaster or like whether the distance is too much, whether the remote is gonna get disconnected due to poor connectivity. No, we don't have to worry about those things anymore. Sofabaton Hub provides 360-degree signal in 40 feet range. This one offers a very strong signal and covers all different devices within the range. There are 3 IR blasters in the package. We can use all those at the same time, or we can use those as per our requirements, or maybe we can customize those based on our interior setup. Okay, before I go through, let me first show you what things I have got inside the box and what things you will get inside the box of a Sofabaton Smart Remote X1. Okay, here is the box of Sofabaton X1 remote. Yeah, this is a smart remote. After opening the top lid, the first thing you will notice is there is a card, a nice card which comes with customer support email address, and on the flip side, there are some basic settings for the X1 smart remote. Underneath that, that's our X1 smart remote. This one is a very nice one. I have to tell it separately, I have to mention it. This one provides me the best in-hand feelings. This one is built with premium materials, has a very good sturdy build quality, and even the display panel is one of the best in its class. Underneath that, you will get a very good user manual. This user manual has a lot of illustrations and everything is written very clearly. Well, the next thing is the hub. This is the main thing about controlling all the devices. This is a pretty lightweight device and we can place this one anywhere we want. Sofabaton has also provided 2 USB-A to USB-C charging cable. One is actually required to power the hub. Yeah, they have also provided a small, very nice power brick inside this package. Last but not the least, they have provided 3 separate IR blasters. One comes with two IR blasters in single connection, and another is a single IR blaster in a single connection. So if you need two different IR blasters, then you can use only one, or if you need three at the same time, you can connect all of these two together. Okay, it's really very easy to use. Okay, in terms of activities, I have three different activities. Watch TV, which will actually trigger on my Sony television, Apple 4K, and my Bose speaker setup. Then I have a second activity, which is movie. This one will power on my Xkimi projector, Apple TV, and again the Bose sound system. The final one is games. This one will power on my PlayStation, my television, and yeah, a different sound system, which I only use for gaming. So having this activity thing is really a great thing, because this type of macro triggering is really very important and adds a lot of convenience to life. Okay, inside this small screen, we can check activities, devices, and settings. Inside activities, I have already shown that you will be able to select the activities that you have already set up in the application. Inside the devices, you will be able to select through the devices or choose the device that you want to control. And inside settings, we can sync the remote control with the hub or with the application. Then we can select LCD sleep time, we can restart the remote, and yeah, we can also upgrade the firmware version. Another thing I love about this Sofabaton X1 smart remote, other than this 2-inch display panel, is its smooth scroll wheel. This one offers a very nice tactile feedback. There is a very comfortable clicky feelings. And yeah, this one is pretty responsive and super smooth. Also, the buttons of this X1 smart remote controller is backlit, which is really a very nice thing, because sometimes when I watch movies or when I play games in a dark environment, the backlight actually helps me to get to the correct button, because in a dark environment, it would be almost impossible to find the correct button without the backlight. The backlight key, OLED display screen, and this smooth scroll wheel. Altogether, this is one of a kind. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm not gonna turn it into a tutorial video, but let me show you how to connect this Sofabaton X1 smart remote to the application. And yeah, the application is actually available in both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. And it's really pretty easy to connect. Also, it's very easy to connect the devices. Well, after downloading the application, what you have to do is to register and log into the application, and then you have to set up a new hub. Connect X1 hub to a power outlet. Next, press the button and hold for 3 seconds, and the blue light blinks, indicating that the hub is in pairing state. Blinking, okay, the blue indicator of the hub is blinking. Next, this is a self-guided process, so you don't have to worry about, you don't have to know anything. The application will find the hub, and what you have to do is to just go through the guided process. It couldn't be any easier than this. And yes, here comes the next interesting thing. We can even custom map the buttons as you wish. Like, you can change all these buttons to your favorite actions or triggers. Isn't that amazing? Yes, it is. Kudos to Sofabaton. Okay, if you're in a situation like me, like if you have a lot of remote controls and you want to change those all for a smart remote control, then I think Sofabaton X1 smart remote is the one that you should check, because I have tried 5 other different smart remotes from different brands, and what I've got is disappointment. But this one, finally, I'm satisfied. Thanks to those subscribers and regular viewers who have made comments and pushed me to buy this one and review this one. Thanks to you guys, because without your recommendation, I couldn't buy and review this, and I couldn't be as happy as I am now. Well, I have left the link of the product in the description box below. If you wanna buy, you can buy from anywhere. You don't have to buy from my link. You can buy it from any other links. I'm not gonna earn any affiliate commission or anything. I don't believe in affiliation. I'm here to share the honest opinion. And my honest opinion is Sofabaton X1 Smart Remote is one of the best. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.